Y'all stay tuned.
Twirling your thumbs?
Yeah, I'm making sure that your head is in there and I have the perspective of the food. But I'm thinking I may, while I'm moving closer, Bella.
Go and get it.
Get out of here, Bella. Here comes Brandon to get Bella.
You guys are recording?
No,
Yeah, try to.
where are you?
Alright, we're gonna take the flood. Being lazy.
And we're about to have dinner here almost done.
Yay.
I think I want to go more over the, moving closer because this pan's so tall to get more of the dumpage when you're dumping.
Would you figure it out, babe? I'm about to do it. I'm about to start dumping. No! Gotta do it again. Straight?
Looks good, babe.
Okay. I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that again. Don't. Do you have me? Are you recording? Look, we got vegetables up here. I have so many videos of me tying my damn apron. I'm sorry, my apron. Leap. Okay. Put that in the video. Yeah.
Now we can go talk. Now we can go outside and talk.
Well, I gotta take pictures first. I gotta get these crispies and this glistening.
I gotta get out of the light.